Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Good morning. It's 1st June and today we are going to start our new lecture. Its topic is present perfect continuous tense, and I will be teaching you that how and when we use this tense and what is the formation of the sentences. Please write the subject, date and day on your copies. Get ready for the lecture. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. First of all, students, I want to tell you that present perfect continuous tense is an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. That means the past incident has started but still it is going on, it is not finished. Present perfect continuous usually emphasizes duration or the amount of time that an action has been taken place. Then when do we use this tense? Please listen to the lecture carefully. In the end, you are going to write down the rules and definition on your copies. So just you have to listen to it. When do we use this tense? The present perfect continuous is used when we want to emphasize duration. Means when we say that हम इतनी देर से काम कर रहे हैं, मैं 2 घंटों से सबक याद कर रहा हूँ. He has been running for 2 hours. So the emphasis is on the time or the duration. When do we use this tense? Second part है इसका. The present perfect continuous is used for an action that began in the past and still going on, which I have told you that I have been living in Ukraine since 2006. So हम 2006 से till present अभी उस place में रह रहे हैं. When do we use this tense? The present perfect continuous is used for an action that began in the past or whose effects are in the present. All these 3 points means that the action has started in the past and has some effect on in the present, or the action is still going on in the present, or it is affecting the present, like this. Or we are emphasizing on the duration. हमने 3 points देखे. First पे था that we emphasize on the duration. Second, the incidents started in the past but still going on. And in the third point, we are learning that the action has started in the past and it has some effects on in the present. Like the example is, he has been studying all afternoon, or he is tired now. Forms. How we form this perfect continuous tense? First of all, every sentence, you know that the formation of every simple sentence is subject, verb and object. But here we are going to use some helping verbs to make this tense, and in the end we are going to add some time. Like in the subject, you are in the positive sentence, we make subject, use of has and have, then been and main verb, then object and time. I have written them in the colorful way that you can distinguish what is subject, what is helping verb, and where is the main verb. She has been writing a letter for 2 hours. I have been teaching here since 2007. Writing a letter or hair. Here I have not changed the color of hair here, but here and a letter is an object. So the simple formation of simple sentence is like this. Present perfect continuous forms. Positive कैसे है, negative कैसे है, and question. What are the changes? आप positive में देख लें, has been है. Negative में we are going to use not and we are going to add not. between has and been. Between have and been, it will become has not been, have not been. Then in the question, has and has are going to come in the start. Other formation will be staying the same, and in the end we are going to use question mark. Use of since. This is very important, but this distinguishes present continuous tense into present perfect continuous tense. If I say I am doing a work, it is present continuous tense. But if I say I have been doing the work for 2 hours, so it will change into present perfect continuous tense. So to tell the duration or to tell the time, we use since or for. Since is used for the starting point, like 2 बजे से लास्ट फ्राइडे 1998. लेकिन 1998 से कितने साल हो गए हैं, अभी तक हो रहा है. लास्ट फ्राइडे से इस फ्राइडे तक कितने घंटे, कितने hours, not distinguished. So we are going to use since. For, if the period of time is given like 20 minutes, 2 days, 1 hour, the for is used for the exact timings, the durations. So from here you are going to write the definition on your copy. The definition of this tense is, you're going to write the topic and then definition, give the heading of definition, and action started in the past and has continued up in the present moment. Then you're going to cite the rules. I will give the screenshots of these lectures so that you can easily write them on your copies. So be careful. First of all, listen. Then I will give you 10 to 5 minutes to complete this work. In Urdu, sentence ends with रहा है, रही है और रहे हैं. And we are going to use third form of verb. Helping verb is going to be has or have been. In negative sentence, we use not. In the previous slides, I have told you about these things. In interrogative sentence, has, have comes in the start and add question mark in the end. If you will not put question mark in the papers, I will cut your marks. Great. And the last is use of since for according to the given time. Example है, he has been reading a book for 2 hours. This example also you have to write on your copy. He has not been reading a book for 2 hours. Has he been reading a book for 2 hours? Then practice sentences. I will give you surely give you the word bank for them. If you feel any difficulty, I will tell you the difficult words in English. Translate the sentences into English. हम कई सालों से कराची जा रहे हैं. These are all positive sentences. First of all, you're going to do the positive sentences in English, then in negative, and then into interrogative. So it will become 21 sentences. हम कई सालों से कराची जा रहे हैं. तुम 2 घंटे से सीख रहे हो. सलमा चंद माह से कपड़े सिलाई कर रही है. हुकूमत 3 माह से वबा पर काबू पाने की कोशिश कर रही है. वो 1977 से घर बना रहे हैं. लोग सुबह से अपनी बारी का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. इस्लाम 1400 साल से हमारी रहनुमाई कर रहा है. Write down these sentences. Inshallah, I will tell you the difficult words in English. Thank you.